Yeah, so I just picked up this new Roland Go mixer. I'm putting it through its paces. Pretty cool unit. Has stereo preamps with a EQ, compressor, and reverb. Has stereo inputs and a guitar input along with a stereo output. So I'm just putting it through its paces to kind of see how it sounds. It seems like it's handling this SM7B pretty well, and that's without a cloud lifter, so that's pretty cool. If you know me, I love my drums, but this is a little something I'm working on. Everything was made through the MPC 2000 XL, then tracked through my tracking channel.